The award goes to Laman Ama Sanat Aribam.
Congratulations, Mr. Sanat Aribam, Laman Ama, Hariba Film Sigi. Editing by Bikiwa Ozani. Also, I would like to welcome Sri N. London Singh, Mr. World Junior and proprietor Mountain Gym, Imphal, son of the donor of the award, and Nupur Singh, citation Amadi, gift hamper Kudol Tambigan.
Mayamdagi Sanat Aribam gidamagta ahoba kubaga manizari. And I would like to request the nominees on the stage. First we have